Alright, Thursday the 7th, got a box in the mail of truck stuff I ordered. And went up to O'Reilly and picked up all new lights for the front and a big bottle of Loctite. I know it's petty, but that moisture irritates the shit out of me. This light on the other side's out. That was the whole reason I bought new lights in the first place. And it's still not working, so it's going to be a wiring issue, I'm thinking. But that's all just piddly stuff that I'll fix. What I'm kind of pissed off about, though... Look right there. It's like a piece of cellophane inside. And that's sealed. That's going to piss me off. It's going to drive me nuts. And that's what you get for buying cheap Chinese shit, but when I was looking at headlights, that's all there was cheap Chinese shit. So back at the customers where I did 3 trees on Mother's Day, or the power lines. Guy's looking pretty bad, topped horribly in the past. Just taking these 2 dead stems. Like I missed my freaking cut. Wow, that stuff's tough. I got set up. Use my new recoil for the first time. Yay. Put a fresh chain on them. I think I like 362 more than I like the 562. Now that really makes the tree any nicer. I feel in the summer, if I'm not just completely drenched in sweat, that something is wrong. All right, a lot cleaned up. Side jobs, I gotta start bringing a new piece of kit now, because when I finished up, John said, "Corey, dude, go ahead and go jump in the pool." Clothes just started flying off, and then I looked down. Like, when these pants come off, they're not going back on. So now I need to start taking shorts with me, because that would have been the best thing ever. Just looks so right. No, it's not mine. It's my buddy Jeff's. Eh, who welded on that freaking trailer jack? That's sharp. Yeah, if you didn't see that video, that was me. Doing my cousin's trees tomorrow, so that'll come in handy. Did notice I got a running light out on the left side here, so I'm gonna see if I can take care of that real quick. So I popped one out of the back just to switch it out to see if it's a lighter or something more. And when I popped this one out, it was disconnected. So I'm going to assume that's what the issue is. Yep. Alright, so we're good to go there. Sunday the 10th, go put some time in on the truck, get the new fuel press regulator put in, and I've been so busy lately I've been neglecting the shop, so I gotta do some cleaning first. Yeah, it's kind of a pigsty. Alright, now I can actually do some work. Alright, so I'm finally ready to get going, but first I'm gonna put some time on these headlights. The fit on these bumper lights is garbage. And I'm just not willing to go through the trouble of packing them and resetting them back for a refund and all that. I'm just going to keep them, but I'm not very happy about it. And these are Lumen, L-U-M-E-N lights. So if you're looking for new headlights, don't buy Lumen. So over here, that lip is just supposed to hold those in place, but it doesn't at all. I put a zip tie in there already, but it didn't really do anything. So I'm going to have to fabric cobble something. Too big of a file. Let me tell you, if you don't like classical music, do yourself a favor and check out Rimsky-Korsakov. I'll put a link in the description below. He is freaking amazing. Get you all in your feels, although I don't know what that actually means. I just know kids say it these days. I'm getting old. Fucking kids. Nope. Almost. On the right track, I think. Really afraid to file any more out because it's getting pretty thin right there. And that'll do it. Let's look at the other side too. Alright, Pop's talked me out of doing this today. I'm going to take it up to his work next Saturday and do it then. As soon as I got done detailing it, no, it's some drive to the car wash to actually get the big stuff off. Once I put on a dry shirt, it's freaking hot. Yep. I bought this thing, it was like a 10-15 minute drive to work every day. Now it's 30-40 minutes. I can't even make it through a week on a tank. Yeah, it sucks. Worth it though. As Hansen's does mulch production, it'll be completely filthy by tomorrow morning, but it's like 5:30. I don't feel like starting any big projects, so I'm just going to piddle around, do a bunch of little stuff. And I found that it's just a licensed Mighty Vac, or whatever the brand is. Speaking of, so this is the, like $8 center punch that was kind of pissing me off, wouldn't really work. So when the Snap-on guy was in the other day, I bought a $36 one. Do they look similar? There are very few differences. I would bet $1 million. They're made in the exact same factory, and the differences are incredibly minor. You can even see in there that it's just like a spray-on, I imagine, nickel coating or something. So I'm a little bitter about that. I don't think I'm going to be buying Snap-on anymore, or Blue Point rather, because this is not Snap-on, it's Blue Point, or rather it's Chinesium Harbor Freight with the Blue Point logo on it. It's bullshit. Anyway, would you please shut up? Of course, I'm gonna have to make my own blanks and everything, but that's not a problem. That'll be easy to do. Now I can actually properly test for vacuum leaks. I just started using this not too long ago, and this thing is freaking amazing. I love it. We'll go to the liquor store. Here we go. I'm climbing on the swivel for a little bit now. I'm not such a big fan. I usually just find myself tying in down here. So I'm gonna switch over to a ring. Alright, I'm a dummy, leaving my harness in my gear bag, all wet with sweat. That time of year, I need to make sure to start taking it out at the end of the day. I use this a whole lot, so I'm gonna keep it a little clean. Got a lot more wear than the rest of it. As always, there's about a million other things that need to be done, but I think I'm done for the day. I gotta go stare at a computer screen for 2 hours to make this video. Have a good one, humans.